Okay, take one end, slot, turn. Okay, toggle switch, turn it on. Lightly press, it's not that fucking hard. Excuse my fingers. Lightly press on it. Don't worry about your fingers, you're not going to get caught in there. Then when it gets down the end here, you're going to take it, stretch, and boom, look at that. Wheels are open and everything. And when you do it the other way, sometimes these wheels are closed and they're not going to open back up. That's it. Get her off. Wow. Why they put this so closer? Yeah, get that started there. Yeah. Okay. We got the one. Okay, this is on your turn, so let's see what happened to my suction side. Oh, that is section. That's right. Suction side. Over here. Okay. So that's going to aquarium tank. Okay. I have another one for these, but that's for this. Make sure this is snug. This is already tight as high as that can go. See, always a little turn in there. Okay.